Hi there, my name is Colin, and in just a few minutes, we're going to be unpacking a professional-grade weather station that provides accurate weather data in your backyard, on your job site, or out in the field. This is the KestrelMet 6000 Cellular Weather Station. It's a robust weather station full of great features. You'll get hyperlocal weather monitoring at an affordable price with this easily deployable station. Track and measure wind speed and direction, barometric pressure, relative humidity, temperature, and rainfall right out of the box. And speaking of out of the box, let's open this box up and see what's inside. And the first thing I take out of the box is the quick start guide that outlines the setup process. Next, I slide the station out of the box right side up. All of the sensors are mounted on a single sturdy platform with one aluminum mast. The station includes a low-cost cellular plan to connect your station to the online monitoring dashboard or the app, and the first year for the plan is free. What's the benefit of a cellular weather station versus Wi-Fi? It's the ability to get ultra-reliable weather information even in remote locations. For home stations, you don't have to worry about Wi-Fi reception, and for professionals, cellular data offers the best solution for data reliability. Providers typically charge a high premium for cellular data, but KestrelMet is disrupting that paradigm. Again, we include the first year free for the cellular plan, no activation fees, and after the first year, the cellular data is only a few dollars per month. Here is the rain gauge. You can see it's deep, and at 8 inches wide, it meets the National Weather Service's recommendation. At the base of the bucket, there are 4 screws, which allow you to easily remove the bucket should you need to clean the tipper mechanism inside. Because the tipping mechanism must be sensitive enough to measure only a few raindrops, birds landing on the rim of your weather station can rattle the tipper mechanism and cause false rain readings. The included bird guard acts as a deterrent and will keep the birds from making a home on or in the KestrelMet station. Wind speed and direction are measured with our anemometer vane. The mast extension supports the anemometer above the rain bucket. It's a very rigid design built to withstand very high winds. The pressure sensor is protected inside of this enclosure. The sensors for air temperature and relative humidity are shielded to reflect radiant heat and fan aspirated to ensure accuracy in direct sun and under conditions with little or no wind. The aspirator fan keeps air constantly moving over the sensors to minimize any measurement errors due to the effect of solar radiation. This is a big improvement over stations with a passive solar shield, which rely on wind to equilibrate the air inside the shield with the outside air. This blue folder contains a 5mm hex key and a number 2 Phillips tool for putting it all together. We also have 2 spare screws included to ensure success if one is accidentally dropped during installation. If you purchased a monomount, that would be included in the box as well. You can use the printed instructions in the folder or follow along using our installation video to get your station up and running with accurate local weather data in 20 minutes or less. The KestrelMet.net cloud portal and app allow users to view their weather data from anywhere, set up text and email alerts for important weather conditions, check a personalized forecast, and download all of the station data. If you want professional-grade weather data, then you need a KestrelMet 6000. Unbox your own and get started right away.